Today we start exercise 4.2 from the chapter linear equation of two variables. Statement of question number 1 is which one of the following options is true and why? For the equation y equal to 3x plus 5, number 1 has unique solution, number 2 only two solutions, number 3 infinitely many solutions. Now we start our solution. This is the given equation. Given equation. Put x equals to 0. We have to put x is 0. 3 zeros are 0. We get the value of y is 5. Again, put x equals to 1. Now, 3 into 1 plus 5, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 5, it is 8. Put x equals to 2. Y is 3 into 2 plus 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. बेटा जब हमने 0 लाई करवाया इक्वेशन में, we get y is 5. When we put x is 1, we get y is 8. When we put x equals to 2, we get y equal to 11. First option unique solution. No, there is no unique solution because जैसे जैसे बेटा हम x की वैल्यूज चेंज करते जा रहे हैं we get the different values of y. तो सिंगल सोल्यूशन तो यहाँ नहीं आ रहा. Only two solutions. No, हमने तो 3 solutions निकाल लिए. सेम वे से अगर हम x को 3 पुट करेंगे y कुछ और आएगा, x को 4 पुट करेंगे 5 करेंगे, so that we get infinitely many solutions. So we write here infinitely many solutions. Our second statement is write 4 solutions for each of the following. There are 3 equations. हमने हर एक के 4 solutions find out करने हैं. We do first and second part in this video and this is try by yourself. ठीक है, ये आप लोगों ने अपने आप ही ट्राई करना है. We do first 2 parts. Yes, its first part is this is the given equation. Put x equals to 0. 2 into 0 0. We get the value of y is 7. Put x is 1. In place of x we write 1. 2 ones are 2. This 2 shifted in its right hand side. We get the value of y is 5. Put x equals to 2. 2 into 2 plus y is 7. This is 4. Shift this 4 in its right hand side. We get the value of y is 3. Put x is 3. बेटा ये ज़रूरी नहीं है जो वैल्यूज़ मैं लाई करवा रही हूँ सेम ही आपने लाई करवानी है. चूज़ एनी वैल्यूज़. मे बी इट्स 4 5 6 7. इट्स योर चॉइस. We put x is 3. 2 3s are 6. Shift this 6 in its right hand side. We get the value of y is 1. Now make a table of the 4 solutions. First of all, we put x 0 and we get y 7. In second, put x 1, y is 5. Next, put x is 2, y is 3. X is 3, y is 1. This is the solution of our first part. Now we start its second part. Pi x plus y equals to 9. Same way se beta put x is 0. Pi into 0. This becomes 0. So we get y is 9. Next, put x is 1. Pi into 1. Pi ones are pi. Shift pi in its right hand side. Y is 9 minus pi. There is no any need to put the value of pi. Our answer is in terms of pi. Put x is 2. Then pi into 2 plus y is 9. 2 pi 9 minus 2 pi is our answer. Put x is 3. Pi into 3. This is 3 pi. This. Now make a table of 4 solutions. When x is 0, y is 9. When x is 1, y is 9 minus pi. When x is 2 and the y is 9 minus 2 pi. When x is 3, y is 9 minus 3 pi. This is a solution of our second part. Now we start our third question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation this and not. बेटा ये हमारे पास पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, सेकेंड इज़ वैल्यू ऑफ वाई. सेम फॉर ऑल. इनको लाई करवाना है गिवन इक्वेशन में. इफ़ लेफ्ट इक्वल्स टू राइट देन दिस इज़ द सोल्यूशन. इफ़ लेफ्ट इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू राइट देन नॉट द सोल्यूशन. वी स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट पार्ट. दिस इज़ द गिवन इक्वेशन. पॉइंट था बेटा 0,2. इन दिस क्वेश्चन 0,2. This is x and this is y. So I write here, put x equal to 0 and y is 2. X की जगह पर 0 and in place of y we put 4. Minus 4 is 4. Is it equal? No, because this is minus 4 and this is 4. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore 0,2 is not a solution of given equation. Same will solve its fourth part. Remaining part beta try yourself. In this question point is root 2 comma 4 root 2. First one is x, second one is y. Put x equals to root 2 and y is 4 root 2. In place of x we write root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. 4 2s are 8. Solve these. This is positive and this is negative. These are like terms because both terms are in square root 2. 8 इसके बाहर बेटा कुछ नहीं है, means it is 1. 8 minus 1 we get 7 and sign of the bigger term negative. These both are not same, so left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution of given equation. This is our fourth part. Our last question of the exercise, find the value of k if x equals to 2, y equals to 1. Is a solution. Is a solution means we have to put these values and we get the value of k. Now we start. Given equation is 2x plus 3y equals to k. Put x equals to 2, y equals to 1. In place of x we write 2, in place of y we write 1. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. Now we get the value of k, that is 7. This is a solution of our fourth question.